Hello everyone, it's me again. So a few weeks ago, I posted the pattern of this strawberry bag charm on my TikTok and Instagram. I really didn't expect that you guys would love it so much until I've got around 400k viewers so far. Thank you so much. And also many of you guys asking me to make full tutorial video of this bag charm. So here I am and I will show you how to make it. For this project, I'm using milk cotton yarn, or you can use any kind of worsted weight yarn, a 4mm hook, a scissors, a tapestry needle, and a stitch marker. So let's get started. Okay, we will start with the strawberry body. Make a slip knot or a magic ring. Then chain 2, or if you use a magic ring, you can just chain 1. Next, make 6 single crochet in the very first chain. For this pattern, we will not make any slip stitch in every round, so for round 2, continue with 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat for 3 times. So in the end, we will have 9 single crochet. Don't forget to put a stitch marker in the first single crochet. This is how round 2 supposed to look like. Now we will hide this excess yarn while closing this tiny hole using a tapestry needle. Next, for the third round, make 2 single crochet and 1 increase, repeat for 3 times. So we will have 12 single crochet. For the fourth round, we will make 3 single crochet and 1 increase, repeat for 3 times. So we will have 15 single crochet. Next, for the fifth round, we will make 4 single crochet and 1 increase, repeat for 3 times. So we will have 18 single crochet. Okay, for the 6th round, we will make 5 single crochet and then 1 increase. Repeat for 3 times. So we will have 21 single crochet. Next, for row 7, we will make 6 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat for 3 times. So we will have 24 single crochet. Then for round 8 to round 10, we will make single crochet around. So we will have 24 single crochet in every round. I will continue single crochet around and we will meet at round 10. This is how it's supposed to look like after we finish round 8 to round 10. And now we will continue to round 11. For round 11, we will make 2 single crochet and then 1 decrease. Repeat for 6 times and we will have 18 single crochet. For the decrease, we will use invisible decrease method, so we only have to work in front loop only. I will continue this pattern and we will meet at the end of round 11. After finishing round 11, we will continue to make a strap, so don't fasten off. To make the strap, start by making a slip stitch in the next stitch. Then chain 50 or as long as you want. After we reach the length that we need, cut off the yarn and then fasten off. Now we have finished our strawberry and then we will continue to the leaf part. For the leaf, we will use green yarn and start by making a slip knot. and then chain 2. Continue with 6 half double crochet in the very first chain. And then slip stitch into the first half double crochet. Continue with chain 1 and make half double crochet increase 6 times, so we will have 12 half double crochet. After that, slip stitch into the first half double crochet and we will continue to round 3. For round 3, make 1 chain and then 1 half double crochet and 1 increase, repeat for 6 times. So in the end we will have 18 half double crochet. After finishing round 3, we have to slip stitch into the first half double crochet and then chain 6. Next, start from the second chain of the hook, make slip stitch, continue with 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. After that, skip 2 stitches and then slip stitch into the next stitch. So repeat this pattern for 6 times. In the end, we will have 6 leaves. And then to finish the leaf part, we have to slip stitch, chain 1, cut off the yarn and fasten off. And we're done. Now it's time to attach the leaf with the strawberry body using a tapestry needle. So we have to pick a hole to place this yarn, like you can place it anywhere that you want. Also put it in the other side and make sure that it's even for both sides, to make it well balanced. And now it's time to sew it to the strawberry body, and make sure that you place your needle like in a halfway from the first chain strap, like so. Then cut off the excess yarn and we have finished our strawberry bag charm. Now I will show you how to put it on the back. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe my channel. Or if you have any question, just leave a comment down below and don't forget to follow my Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!